A short introduction of our ITF Flux 3 machine. This is a machine where you can flush the automatic transmission with almost every modern car. Inside the machine there are a lot of connectors for the modern cars, so you change the old oil to new oil. There's also a database inside the machine where you can find how to connect it, with which connector you have to use, also which type of oil you have to use, the original part numbers of the filters, and a really good description how to connect the machine to the ITF gearbox. All the oil will be flushed with this machine, so no oil will be left over in the automatic gearbox. Afterwards, the complete system is filled with fresh oil.